In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start Odysseus. Before you open Odysseus, the first thing you need to do is make sure Docker Desktop is already running. This is important because Odysseus depends on Docker services in order to load properly. If Docker Desktop is closed or stopped, Odysseus will not start, so it's always a good idea to check this first. Once Docker Desktop is up and running, open a terminal window on your computer. From there, navigate to your Odysseus folder by typing cd Odysseus. This simply moves your terminal into the correct project directory, so the next commands work as expected. Now you're ready to start Odysseus. In the terminal, run docker compose up-d. This launches the required Odysseus services in the background, which means they'll keep running without taking over your terminal window. If this is your first time starting Odysseus, or if you've recently updated any files, use docker compose up-d --build instead. That version rebuilds the containers before starting them, which helps make sure everything is using the latest changes. After that, it's a good idea to confirm that everything is actually running. To do that, type docker compose ps. This command shows the status of your containers. You should see the Odysseus containers listed as running. If they are, that means the application has started successfully in Docker. Next, open your web browser and go to http://localhost 7000. In most Docker desktop installations, port 7000 is the default location for Odysseus. If everything is working, you should see the login page appear. If you don't know the admin password yet, you can retrieve it from the Docker logs. Run docker compose logs --tail equals 120 Odysseus. In the output, look for a line showing a temporary password. The default username is usually admin. Since this password appears in the logs during the first setup, this is the quickest way to find it when logging in for the first time. Once you're inside, remember that Odysseus is an AI workspace, not the AI model itself. That means you'll need to connect a model provider. For a free local setup, install Ollama, then download a model by running ollama pull llama 3.1:8b. After that, in Odysseus, go to Settings, then Models, then Add Provider. Select Ollama and use the local Docker connection URL shown on screen. Finally, test everything by creating a new chat and sending a simple message like, "Hello, can you introduce yourself?" If you get a response, Odysseus is fully operational.